You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name I should say. Yes, it's a name that confuses quite a lot of people, so make sure to stay tuned because we're going to learn how to say it in French. It's a French name. It's said as Muriel, Muriel, yes, but in French the U sound, or in English, doesn't exist. So in English it's normally pronounced as Muriel, Muriel. Some say it as Muriel as well, but rather Muriel. How do you say it yourself? Muriel or Muriel or Muriel? Some may pronounce it as well. So there are going to be different pronunciations, but the most common pronunciation, how to pronounce Muriel in English. How do you say it? Let us know. Like to support, appreciate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.